Hey Legacy traders, it's Tim Key with Option Legacy. I want to take a moment. I tried creating a video from my cell phone because I honestly do it from my cell phone just about every day and night. It is my pre/post market review. This is what I do every time the market closes, about an hour to 2 hours after the market closes, and then also the night before the market opens. If I'm not going to be up for the market open at 6:30 a.m. on the West Coast, or if I am up, this is what I do. It's the exact same process. So I come here, I have this saved. It's pre-market trading. Just Google Money CNN pre-market and this should come up. And I'm looking at three things on this site. I'm looking at here the U.S. stock futures. I'm looking at the S&P. Well, really, I guess it's all of this. I'm seeing what direction is it going. Most of the time, all of the markets are going in the same direction, or should I say, indexes are going in the same direction. And then I'm also looking here. I'm looking at this main article, and I'm seeing, is there anything that I missed here? Is there anything that's going to give me insight into my portfolio tomorrow? So 1, 2, last thing I check on this site is this. I check world markets because oftentimes the direction the world markets are trading can influence the direction the United States market trades, especially if it's news driven, like something like the Brexit or the situation with Spain recently. If there's a big move in one of these other markets, it can often impact our market as well. So I'm looking at those things. I'm getting a little bit of mixed signals here by these being up just barely, and then the world markets being down, Japan kind of significantly. So I'm looking at three things, 1, 2, 3 on this site, Money CNN pre-market. Next, I go to Money CNN Fear and Greed Index. Just Google Money CNN Fear and Greed Index, and I'm looking at two things on this page. I'm looking at what is this both rating and number, and what was the previous rating and number. Greed means the market's bullish or going up. Fear means the market's bearish or going down. And I'm trying to see, is this number greater or lesser than the previous close to give me an indicator. So now we have the futures up, and we also have this fear index up. So it's looking like tomorrow might have a chance of a bullish day. The last thing I do is I go to Fox Business pre-market. Just Google Fox Business pre-market or something along those lines, and you should be able to find this. And I use this website to both confirm the futures over here, just to see that things are going in the same direction. And then I'm really using this to evaluate how the articles. So I'm looking at 1 article, 2 article, 3 articles, and then over here some more. And I'm just looking at, is there anything in here that sticks out to me? Is there anything in here that can impact my portfolio? Is there anything in here that I haven't yet seen? If there is, I might click on it. And like this one, I really like Republicans, Democrats. There's a Make America Great, Make America Great ETF that came out last week. It's pretty fun. And so I'm looking at these things and just trying to grab a general synopsis of what's happening in the market, and if anything of this news-driven information could impact my current portfolio. So that's what I do. It takes me honestly about 45 seconds to a minute and a half. I do it from my cell phone. I keep them stored, the websites, boom, 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 and this also on my cell phone. It's the same setup. So just wanted to give you that little value drop. Can't wait for tomorrow. Let's see. Happy trading. Till then.